welcome to Ekta's Science Education class. Today we will learn about the story of the food. We know that everybody eat food for getting energy. Now air, water, food, shelter, these are the basic needs of the human being. Imagine a day without food. How would you feel on that day? Why do you people feel weak when they have to stay without food? Why do people die of the hunger? Have you thought of these all questions? What will be the answer? We shall find the answer to this question. You know that all living things need food to live. Food is the source of energy and is thus required by all living organisms. To survive, we need food to grow, to develop, and to survive, to be fit. We eat food to get energy and for the development of the body. We need food to grow, move, work, play, think, and learn. For everything, we need the food. Now, what is this? This is the typical Indian thali. Indian cuisine made from the region to region, reflecting the different people who live in the subcontinent. Food is an important part of the Indian culture, playing an important role in everyday life as well as in the festivals. In many cases, food is deeply influenced by the religion and social identity, with the varying taboos and preferences. Generally, Indian cuisine can be divided into the different types: north, south, east, west. Okay, so in every region different food items are made. During every festival there are different items of the food items that are ready at every home in India. Now we know all living beings need food to live. Now plants and animals are our sources of the food. Food contains the nutrients or food having the components of the food. Which are that components? We know that there are 5 types of the nutrients, which are the carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, minerals and fats. So these are the important food nutrients. We eat many things. We eat some foods raw while some we cook. Now cooking make the food more and more tastier, softer and easy to digestible. So we cook the food. We eat some of the food raw like cucumber, carrot, fruits and mostly eaten raw in the salad. While as some food is needed to cook. For example, we eat raw among these carrot and fruits, and some of the vegetables like tomatoes we eat. We these among these all we eat some of them raw while some of them we cook. Tomato we eat them raw. Okay, now let us learn one by one the different ways of the cooking food. As we know that there are the different ways of the cooking food like frying, baking, roasting, boiling, steaming. Okay, now let us one by one learn them. Okay, which is this type? Which are the different ways of cooking? And in this image, can you see the samosas, then puris, then bhajiyas? Okay, what are these examples? These are the examples of the frying food items. These are all fried items. What is actually the frying? Frying is the making the hot oil and in that the food item is fried. Okay, उसे हम fry items कहते हैं. Okay, so examples kachori, pani puri and bhel puri. This is the then puri, then samosas, bhajia. These are all the examples of the boiled fried items. Next is your favorite one, the cake, the pastry, then pastries, then bakery product are all your favorites. Okay, these are the sweet substances which are baked. Then the roasted, you know that this is a very common example of the roasting. Okay, these chapatis are roasted on the tawas or pans. Then papad are directly roasted on the gas stove. Okay, so these are the examples of the fried roasted items. Then you know the maca or corn. Then these are all the roasting items. Then the next is the rice is the boiled food item. Okay, then egg is the boiling way. Boiling means what? We boil the water and inside the food item is boiled, so that is the boiling method. These are some utensils which are helpful in the kitchen. Without these utensils, the cooking is not possible. So they play very important role in the cooking. These are some old way where the gas stoves were used like this. But nowadays there are the modern cooking gas stoves available. Now how the food is coming from the farm to your plate? Now the seed is planted and then it germinates, and in after the germination there are some seedlings formed from this to this condition. Okay, this is the growth of the seed, from the seed to seedling. The very first process is sowing. The seed is sowed in the soil. With the favorable condition, with the favorable climate, water supply and all soil nutrients, the plant get germinate, the seed get germinate into the soil. Then after the sowing there is a threshing. Then threshing means the plant get threshed out from the plants, and the crop is get separated from the thresher. Okay, these are the thresher machines which separate the crop and haze and other grains particle from the main crop. Then after threshing there is a harvesting. Okay, the crop is harvested, then it sells to the market, and after selling the purchasing is happening. Okay, then after purchasing it came to our house, then we cook that food, and then finally we happily eat that food. So this is the story of the food from the farm to your home. This is all the journey of the food items. Now fuels, things that give out heat on the burning, are known as a fuels. Kerosene, charcoal, firewood, LPG. Now LPG is a household gas stove. Okay, gas cylinders are used as they are said to be the LPGs. The long form of LPG is liquid petroleum gas. So these are the household appliances which are helpful to cook the food items. These are some. So this is a solar cooker, and this is one of the stove which is used to cook the food items. Then this is a modern kind of the gas stove which is used and it's a electronical device that help in cooking the food. Now let us learn about what do we learn in the full lesson. In the full chapter we learn that there are different ways of the cooking food, like boiling, frying, roasting, steaming and baking. Cooked food is soft, tasty and easy to digest. Things that give out heat on burning are known as the fuels. Kerosene, charcoal, firewood and LPG are some of the examples of the fuels. Then different utensils such as pots, pans and the pressure cooker are used to cook food, which make our cooking easy and faster. Within this all the cooking items only we cook the food. Okay, so this is all about that we learn in this chapter. I hope you all understood the things, and okay, here we end up this chapter. Have a good day, student. Just do not forget to subscribe the channel. Bye.